saw your answer through the Twitter format to my question regarding the permissibility of exchange of paper money for digital money with an extra charge.
Yes, sir.
But Sheikh, the question still has a part two. Now, this person who does this business, he is a registered agent to a conventional bank, which is interest related. You know, the banks in Nigeria, many of them are like that. So now this bank, he has to, whatever profit he makes from the business, he has to, he's obliged to give the bank some of this profit. And even the machines which he uses was given to him by the bank too, although he paid some amount for it. In this situation now, is this like assisting in riba-based bank? Is this still permissible?
This is the same like point of sale machines that a supermarket may have. So if I have a point of sales machine and you come with your ATM and you swipe your card and pay for your groceries and leave, I pay charge to an interest-based bank to get this facility. There's nothing wrong in that. This is a service charge that is totally permissible. There's nothing haram, inshallah, in it, and Allah knows best.